Happy New Year, everyone. New year, new hair goals, right? In 2025, I am all about achieving healthier, stronger, fuller hair. And here are 3 ways I'm committing to reaching my hair goals this year. First, hydration is key. I'm treating my hair to a weekly deep conditioning mask to lock in moisture and renew shine. Speaking of renew, Heal and Renew is chock full of avocado oil, aloe vera juice, and silk protein to help lock in moisture and replenish shine. Second, moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. I'm going to use a Miracle Moisture Cream that helps to not only moisturize my curls, but detangle them with ease. SuperCurl is just perfect for that. It provides moisture, definition, and incredible, irresistible shine to every curl in my hair. And last, but certainly not least, I'm committed to protecting my hair from heat damage. Heat damage caused from everyday life, like using my hooded dryer, my diffuser, my flat iron, or even doing something simple as protecting it from the environmental elements such as standing out in the sun. And I'm going to do that by using our Thermal Protection Primer. This incredible product is light, airy, and fast drying, and it protects every strand of my hair from environmental elements that I just talked about. So let's make this year the best year ever. Here's to healthy hair in 2025. What are your hair goals this year? Let me know in the comments below.